Yes, Gaza Nation. Here we go on, man. Right about now, we see say, well then, it's been a very controversial story about the cult pastor and the people them want closure and them can't get it. You see what I say? So before them give the people them closure, them come out with some ridiculous story where them claim say Klansman witness a testify and them a call up Vybz Kartel name and I obtain name. So remember me the first one come and make on know. So everything we go on a yard, and the artists them a get the blame, You see what I say? So the easiest way that them think them can take off the eyes off of we go on with the cult pastor and all we go on in the church and all of them shit them. Me hear Foot of Hype come out and the man a burn a real fire. So Foot of Hype, me love the fire where you are burn. You see what I say? Because them claim is a head-on clash. You don't see the front part of the pastor vehicle lick up or the side lick up. So right now we're not even sure what really are going on with the cult pastor. Nobody not sure. People just go off of what them say. Nobody not prove off of what go on. But yet still, them can come out and talk about witness. I call up Vybz Kartel name and the Gleaner run post up that and Rascal. Everybody they on it. You see what I say? And them want to take off the highlight off of what go on. Because one of the biggest crosses thing that we ever go on in Jamaica. We are talking about cult pastor and them shit there are go on with big folly. You see what I say? And to where the man go on with, it's wicked than evil. Man, we are talking about him a gunman, because you know what a gunman do. You see what I say? But if we talk about a pastor in a church, my brother, we're supposed to preach the good message about the Almighty and all of them shit there. And him refuse to do them shit there. A cult business him a deal with and it cost other people life and them shit there. And nobody, none of the justice system, nor the government system in a Jamaica don't want to get underneath the bottom of that bumbo cloth. You see what I say? Them want to push it underneath the rug, but you don't want to call up artist name, right? I'm going to show you something. You see, artist is a thing. Artists, music and sports are that build back Jamaica. You see what I say? After the 80 election, nobody can tell me nothing. I was a youth there, I was an eyewitness on the scene. I say a music build back Jamaica, music and sports. You see what I say? Because the man them signed peace treaty and them shit there. Remember Bob Marley are the first man who bring the prime minister and the opposition minister together and them shake and them thing there. After that them still go on with some local rivalry and them shit there, but Ninja Man come back, come make the opposition minister and the prime minister shake and on stage, sing a song say living on free food ticket, not a money in your pocket, not a cent we not have, what I go do. I see that song there, make the whole country start unite back and be a footballer go a man in cup, and then you have beer, high school fete and all of them shit there go on. So I say, and the place nice because them time there a straight dancing a man lock on for a woman and woman lock on for a man, because the selector go make you know say right now him want every man to a woman and them shit there. This is what I deal with. Right now, me don't know if these nowadays youth, if them like the gun more than woman, cause so it look to me, Because the man them all in a dance, a man a dance and a kick up and a go on like a fight, them a fight and them shit there. I look more highlight than the girl them. The man them now wine pan the girl them like one time. So, you know what I mean? The dancehall thing kinda look away, but what the dancehall artists them can do, them time they know. Dancehall artists, them have them football team, You see what I say? Yeah, the artists them did have them football team. You see what I deal with? We go around and play a match. Even all Jamaica national team, the man them have match against. You see what I say, for fundraising and them shit there. You see what I deal with? So the place used to nice, you know what I mean? So if the artists them can come back together, build them football team and go around keep some match for some charity thing and all them shit there and show up the government them and the politician them say no artists do the shit. You see what I deal with? Yeah, because them want to swing it for artists like an artist do the shit. But here me no nation people, war a go on before me born. It start from Cain and Abel. Them blame music and I blame the cable. Dance all them a lock off. Artists them a pre-E. Them want put the blame on we. Them want put the blame on me. Hey, Mr. Don, make sure you're not put no strapping on no youth. And them say artists a make people dead. And them a bring the reggae music for too long. Hey, Mr. Commissioner, make sure you know who are join your force. Enough of them boy are driving for revenge. And say a music a create violence. Me say enough of them a live unclean. Them never say no when man a bust it up for orange and green. Music never make no machine. You true you hear me sing about it, you think me put the crime on the scene. If you want blame us, blame HBO and Silly Max. Who make Jamaican get slack? Blame the flipping cable box. And the internet who teach a 5-year-old overload a Glock. What goes around comes around. No man no know them destiny. As something go wrong, they blame them get away. Them set to violence to contribute. When the law kill the first man, make me say nobody no perfect. When my generation born music, nobody never hurt yet. Them want to destroy the best thing when them are the worst. Yes, long time human had destroy human. And a long time Jim a buy from Susan. So nobody blame me sex song. Before my grandfather born, you have prostitution. What? Yeah. Them want to show the blame. Them want put the blame upon dancehall artists, and them think the biggest dancehall artist name them can call up at the world boss name. Forget off highlight half of them look a culting and half of them fucker where them go on and them in league with the pastor. Because she say, well then when the man there travel a road a big limousine and big motorcade and police and all kind of security they feel. Right? But when them catch up on him and deal with folly, everybody want draw with themselves from them. Them don't want get down to the nitty gritty. Them don't want talk about nothing about that. What them want to do is shoot it underneath the rug and act like that no go on. One of the biggest disgrace ever go on in a Jamaica. You see what I say? When you talk about bumbuckler church and then people get hurt and people lose them life and all kind of hypocrisy go on and all kind of cult business and fuckery and whole heap of kids. I mean, here foot of hype pass around 11 children there and there. No. I know nobody now accept the children them homeless. What happened to them parents? What go on in the bumbuckler church system and them shit there. No, you don't want to cut off that and talk about fuckery. You see what I say? You don't want to cut off all of that and talk about fuckery and I call up Jamaica Vybz cartel name over something one and have no proof about nor nothing at all. Oh, no stay some man. And then you have some look rascal fool people where them claim say them not like the world boss and true them not them have hatred to the brother. The whole of them a jump up and I say this and I say that. Eh? And then the media push out bumbuckler some false news when the media supposed to get on top of them about this cult business and what really go on with the pastor. Right now, you know, nobody not even sure if the pastor passed away. Because there ain't nobody can come and step forward and say, well then, yeah, them see me and way. Nobody don't know what the fuck happened. I be a full argument right here. We not hear nothing straight up to the max. You see what I say? I be a gimmicks and lollipop thing and go on. You see what I say? But as me I said to the artists them, you know, build back on a football team, go around and keep some charity match for some community where they can help out the people them and them shit and bring back the love and the joy in a dancer like what it used to be. You see what I say? Yeah, because when you go a dance in a them time that when I tell you about when Manning Cup football bigger than National Premier League and you have a whole heap of a dancehall event a go on and all them shit there. Eh? Yo, the place did super nice. Them time there, a liquor when name Shandy a whale. So when you buy all a girl two Shandy, she not even leave from in front of you. At them time there, wine if it kill my brother. Now it different. You see what I say? Yeah. And the youth them come like them lose them focus. So we need to bring back them thing there in a dance hall, and we need to bring back the support of the sports them and them shit there, that the people them can enjoy themselves and stop live on this fuckery and you know what I mean, and cool off of the violence and them shit there. But the general, you know, the 10-star one, I represent. You see what I say? Everything we go on at Jamaica. Them feel like them can use the world boss name for bypass it. What? General, 10-star.